G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, just doing a insulation inspection for this house here. Customer says that they weren't sure whether it was still working and wanted me to check on the insulation. They told me that there was cellulose fibre here, but when I lifted the sheet, this is actually it's a polyester wool product, so it's not sheep's wool, and it's on the back of Sisolation. And when I have a look below that with my hand there, because I can't get much out, but there's no insulation underneath that, so it's just the polyester. Now that polyester is very, very thin, as you can see. It's just 10 millimeters thick or so. It's not a good insulation product. It's probably got an R value of 1.2 originally, and far less now. So anyway, so I recommend that they get the cellulose pumped into the bays, and we can pump that in and insulate the roof from.